Malibu, Wheels and Waves. There are over 200 cars, and we were presented Best of Show Diamond Award, the only trophy, and what a nice trophy it is. John D'Agostino, Bruce Myers, my God, just a ton of our friends were there, and what a lovely, lovely send-off for the wine job. It's going to Auburn, Indiana, and we're going to be going to World Auctions. So what a way, man, to win a major event in our first show out this year. Wheels and Waves, beautiful Malibu, California, and it really is beautiful. This is just kind of coming back. You get an idea why people love California. Not the politics, but California itself is the greatest place to live. Again, thank you Fireball for an absolute wonderful show, and Johnny and all the other people that helped on this one here. We really appreciate it.